In this video, I'll show you exactly how to offer content suggestions and promotion ideas directly in your dashboard, making it easier to guide your team and enhance your content strategy. By the end of this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll be able to integrate powerful content suggestions and promotion strategies right where you need them. First things first, it's important to know that offering content suggestions and promoting ideas can streamline communication with your team. But how do you do this efficiently in your dashboard? Let's dive into it. Start by navigating to the content management section of your dashboard. This is typically where you can create and manage posts, articles, and campaigns. Once you're there, look for the suggestions or ideas section, which is often a built-in feature that allows you to add content recommendations. Now, to offer content suggestions, click on the Add New Idea button or a similar option. You'll see a field where you can enter the title or headline of your idea, followed by a description or brief outline of what you envision. Be sure to focus on what's trending or what your audience might find helpful. This could be a new blog topic, social media post idea, or even a potential collaboration. When you submit the suggestion, it's typically saved for review, but some software allows your team to see it instantly. This is where you can spark a conversation about how to refine or implement these ideas. For promotion ideas, the process is similar. In your dashboard, look for the section dedicated to campaigns or promotions. In some cases, you'll see options to suggest specific promotional activities like a sale, a discount campaign, or even influencer partnerships. Again, click on Add New Idea or similar and type in your promotional concept. Make sure to be clear about the goals, whether it's increasing traffic, engagement, or sales. One pro tip: always make sure your suggestions are aligned with current marketing goals or content trends. You want to be relevant and provide value, whether it's a new way to boost engagement or a fresh angle for your content. As you make these suggestions, make sure the dashboard allows for feedback or comments. This way, your team can add their thoughts or ask questions directly within the dashboard, keeping everything centralized. Now, if you're wondering which dashboard or software to use for this, I've tried several popular ones, and the one I recommend is featured in the description below. It's the best fit for anyone looking to offer content suggestions and promotion ideas quickly and effectively. Plus, as a viewer of my channel, you get an exclusive free trial, so you can follow along with this video yourself. The key takeaway here is to make sure you're using a dashboard that not only allows you to suggest content, but also lets you track these ideas through feedback and implementation. By doing this, you're setting your content up for success with all the right suggestions and promotions in place. To quickly recap, in this video, we covered how to offer content suggestions and promotion ideas within your dashboard, how to add and submit them for review, and how to ensure feedback is part of the process. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I've mentioned in the description below, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.